Hi there, radio fans. The pizza making part 1 is on the Canon camera, and this is going to be part 2, the reveal of the pizza. And it looks quite good. I've taken a photo of it already, so it looks pretty good. Been in the pizza oven in the camp oven for about 20 minutes now. And Cassie's like hanging out for it. See? She's waiting, aren't you, Cassie? Huh? Yeah. And here we go. Wonder if I can. No, that's not right. Yeah, okay. Right, so if I just grab this and come along with me. Let's have a look. Look at it now. There, can you see that? I'm not sure if you can see that, but look at that. That looks freaking awesome. Oh, mate. Can't wait to tuck into that. Oh. Christy's camp kitchen pizza making camp kitchen. Yeah, the chicken. I forgot to put the chicken that I cooked in it last night. This for Cassie anyway, but like I've got to I was going to put some chicken on it as well, but it's just bacon, tomato, onion, cheese, and we've got this sauce here, pizza sauce, paste with garlic and basil, perfect pizzas for focaccia or whatever that is. I don't know what that is, but there you go. It's pizza sauce for me, and this as well. I'll put that on there as well. So we'll see how that goes. And meanwhile, I'm enjoying a nice cold beer, and the weather today, as you can see, it's gone all cloudy. It's not as this morning was blue skies, and I've got some landscape photos on my Canon up there. The landscape photos down on the boat ramp. So I was going to go over there and go in between somewhere and pick a spot and take some landscape photos from there as well, but I'm not sure now. Might do that. See what happens later. But yeah, there you go. Having fun with Christy. Camp kitchen, camp oven, pizza making and cooking in the bush. Bush pizza. Yeah, it should be pretty good. Can't wait to try it. See you later. I'm going to test it out soon.